In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add row in Divi Builder 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to place content inside your new row with confidence. First, open the page you want to edit in the Divi Builder. If you're using the visual editor, you'll see the live preview of your page with Divi's colored guides. That's perfect because rows are easiest to add right from the visual interface. With your page open, make sure you're on the area you want to work on, such as the home page or any specific page section. Divi structures content in a simple hierarchy. Sections contain rows, and rows contain modules. We're focusing on the row level today. Next, move your cursor near the spot where you want the new row to appear. As you hover, Divi will reveal small action buttons. Look for the green plus icon, which is the Add Row control. This is your shortcut to inserting a row exactly where you need it, above, below, or inside an existing section depending on where you hover. Click that green plus button. You'll see the Insert Row panel appear. This is where you choose how your row is configured. If you're starting fresh, select New Row. This creates a brand new row rather than pulling in a previously saved layout, which keeps things simple if you're just getting started. Now choose the row type. Divi offers a variety of column structures, single column for a full width element, 2 or 3 columns for side-by-side content, and more complex grids for advanced layouts. Think about your content. A hero message might use 1 column, a text and image split could use 2, features or services often look great in 3 or 4 columns. Click the column layout you want and your row is added instantly onto the page. You'll see the green row outline appear, confirming it's in place. If the location isn't perfect, you can drag the row handle to reposition it until it's exactly where you want. With the row in place, you're ready to add content. Click the gray plus icon inside any column to insert a module. Choose a module like text, image, button, or whatever suits your design. Each module opens its settings so you can type, upload, and style on the spot, and your changes will preview in real time. And that's it. You opened your page in Divi, found the exact spot, used the green plus to insert a new row, picked the right column layout, and added modules to bring it to life. Keep practicing these steps, and building clean, flexible layouts will become second nature.